Okay, I will try to lead Ellen so she can make her heel turn. Because eventually, gentlemen, her heel turn depends on you, not on her. So I will try. I will go with my right first, and I will go slow, quick, 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 slow, and then the next step, right? So let's do it once again. Now let's do it seriously. Stay to the left. Yes, here we go. And we go. And slow, quick, 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 quick.